Everyone. In the previous visuals, we've learned how to create visuals in Power BI and how to drag the data elements to build the visuals. In this video, we will explore how to set properties for these visuals. I've already uploaded a file to GitHub called set visual properties. You can download this file. I will leave a link to this in the video notes and do the tutorial along with me. I've got the same Power BI file open and I've selected one of the visuals, and you might have to just open the visualizations tab. And so the first tab here is fields, where we've dragged data components, and then the next one is formatting, and we'll just start exploring this. So let's open with a legend. So what happens if we toggle it off? You can see that the legends have gone. Let me just turn it back again on. You can see it shows us the sales amount and previous sales year. So whether you want to show it or not, you can change it. You can also select whether so at the moment it's showing on the top. You can select so that it becomes visible on the bottom, or we can have it on the left or top center, depending on how you want to have it. So we'll just leave it here. And I've got a title, so I can give it a title as well. Here I can position the legend at the bottom and add a title and have different colors for that. So let's just close this, and then I can have data labels, and I can set the colors for that. So it's showing me these data labels. I can set the color for that to maybe red, which looks pretty bad. We just go back to charcoal black that was there. How about if we make it white? And maybe some other color. So we can explore with that. So we'll close that. You can have a look at the data colors. So I can change the color for sales amount to be, let's say, yellow, and previous year sales to be red. So there are a lot of other properties which we have not explored, but what you can do is go to the formatting tab and explore these properties. And this is just a way to explore and change visuals and change their properties. I hope this video gets you started in terms of setting the properties and changing, and you're aware how and where you need to go to make the changes. And I hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Thank you.